Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 perfume hacks that can change your perfume journey totally. So whether you're a newbie in the perfume space or you're trying to create your own perfume collection, I'm very sure that these tips will help. Hello, my name is Adeze and I film videos around perfumes and lifestyle content. I know you clicked on this video because you love perfumes. I do too, and I'll be putting out more perfume content, so you should definitely hit the subscribe button so you get more content around perfumes. You'll be seeing perfume reviews, you'll be seeing fragrances that you should not even bother buying and all that good stuff, okay? But let's jump right into this video. The 3 perfume hacks that can change your game automatically. Number 1, so as not to overwhelm yourself, you do not need that much perfumes. Yes, except you're a collector, you do not need so many perfumes to function and to have a very unique feel about you. These are basically how perfumes are categorized: 1 for work, your 9 to 5 for daytime, 1 for nighttime for dates and evening events and the likes, and then you can also have 1 for special occasions. So in all of these 3, you can easily find your signature scent that can run through all these 3 occasions. Otherwise, you can get 1 for each of these occasions: work, nighttime and special events. Okay, so with these 3 perfumes, you have occasions where you want to layer fragrances with another to get a different scent so that you're not bored at all. But not to confuse you, your work fragrance can be fresh, can be mild. Your social event fragrance can be louder and have more projection, so when you just leave a room, there's still a lot of scents lingering after you. And then your nighttime fragrance is likely going to be sultry, sexy. So FYI, your sexy fragrance can also be like a form of self-care or self-empowering scent, something that when you put on that makes you feel really sexy. Okay, so these fragrances are mostly about you. Do not forget that they are mostly about you and not the impression that you give others. Okay, the second hack is slightly related to the first one I just mentioned, which is layering your fragrances. You have to consider layering your fragrances so that people cannot pick your exact scent. Okay, layering fragrances mean applying a fragrance after another so that the scent chemistry kind of jazz up together and form a new scent. This scent will be unique to you because of the quantity of fragrance applied and the types of fragrances you have applied. Okay, this can help you smell really unique. It will make people, after you've met them, to be able to remember you by your scent because this is unique to you and they've not perceived it anywhere. So when people meet you over and over again, it's going to be almost as if your body chemistry or your sweat smells like that fragrance because it is already signature to you. Everybody in their perfume journey should definitely consider getting their own signature scent. Do not be under any pressure to find your signature scent just yet. Just keep trying out fragrances and you'll see what sticks and what gets you the most compliments and stick to it. Okay, now the third hack for you would help you save some coins. Of course, the first one is sticking to just 3 fragrances so that you're saving money. The second one is helping you layer so that you're unique everywhere you go. The third one will help you save a lot of coins because you should consider opting for fragrances alternative. For example, you see a new fragrance that you like and you like the reviews you've watched on YouTube or you've checked out the fragrance notes and you like to purchase it. The best way to go about this is not to buy a whole 100ml bottle. You can always opt for the smaller sizes or the tester sizes, those ones that come in smaller gift box. The thing is, you get to explore a lot more fragrances without restricting yourself while saving money. Another thing you should consider in this saving money section is to consider buying actual testers. Sometimes they are sold as unboxed fragrances, where these fragrances were used as displays in stores or in brand campaigns and they are not just repackaged. These fragrances are exactly the same as the original, but they are not just in a box. Okay, sometimes you see underneath it that they are just testers and they come cheaper because you're only paying for the fragrance and you know the shipping fees and all that. You're not paying for the whole brand experience, but you're getting the same exact scent. The third alternative, which I use a lot for my filming videos, are oil perfumes. Oil perfumes are just the oil version of the original scent. So with these fragrances, you're getting it 50% or less of the price. There are several ways to get access to these. You can go ahead to check out glendaleperfumery.com. The link will be in the description, and I'll be putting up a code on the screen to get some percentage off your shopping. So yeah, those are the 3 hacks that I have for you, and a code for you to get some discounts when you shop from glendaleperfumery.com. If you want to see more perfume related content, the next video I'll be talking about top fragrances that women like to smell on men, so you definitely do not want to miss out on that. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, see you next week. Stay blessed. Bye.